Preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, is essential for maintaining good urinary tract health. While there is no foolproof way to completely eliminate the risk of UTIs, there are several home remedies and lifestyle changes that may help reduce the likelihood of getting them. Please note that these remedies are not a substitute for professional medical advice, and if you have a UTI or suspect you have one, it is crucial to consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. Here are some home remedies that may help prevent UTIs. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help flush bacteria out of your urinary tract and dilute urine, making it less likely for bacteria to multiply and cause an infection. Aim to drink at least 8-10 cups of water a day. Cranberry juice. Some studies suggest that cranberry juice may help prevent UTIs by preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining. Choose unsweetened cranberry juice or cranberry supplements. Probiotics. Probiotics, often found in yogurt or as supplements, may help maintain a healthy balance of good bacteria in your gut and urinary tract, reducing the risk of UTIs. Good hygiene. Proper personal hygiene is crucial. Always wipe from front to back after using the toilet to prevent the transfer of bacteria from the anus to the urethra. Urinate regularly. Do not hold in urine for extended periods. Empty your bladder when you feel the need to urinate, as this helps flush out any potential bacteria. Avoid irritants. Avoid using harsh soaps, bubble baths or douches in the genital area, as these products can irritate the urethra and increase the risk of infection. Wear breathable underwear. Choose cotton underwear over synthetic fabrics to allow better airflow and reduce moisture buildup, which can create a breeding ground for bacteria. Urinate before and after sexual activity. Emptying your bladder before and after sexual intercourse can help flush out any bacteria that may have entered the urethra during sex. Avoid spermicides and diaphragms. Some forms of birth control, like spermicides and diaphragms, may increase the risk of UTIs. Consider alternative methods if you are prone to UTIs. Maintain a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables can help support your immune system and overall health, potentially reducing the risk of UTIs. Manage chronic conditions. If you have underlying health conditions like diabetes, work with your healthcare provider to manage them effectively, as uncontrolled conditions can increase UTI risk. Stay active. Regular physical activity can help boost your immune system and overall well-being. Remember that these home remedies are not guaranteed to prevent UTIs entirely, and they may not be suitable for everyone. If you are prone to recurrent UTIs or experience severe symptoms, consult a healthcare provider for a personalized treatment plan. In some cases, prescription medications or preventive antibiotics may be necessary.